Ngayong gabi guys, good evening. So, ano siya, nagabi na kami kay galing. So, this is our setup sa among 16 kilowatt system. Actually, panihapon naman yung umuhan. So, here is, I prefer to speak for and English because we have our followers and subscribers from USA, Asia, Indonesia, Southeast Asia in the countries here, also maybe China, Canada. So, ari lang tas vlog mo bawi. Kasi bayaran tas sa YouTube. So, this is the isolator from the 2-string and the other set of 2-string and another isolator number 2. Both of that is connected with 7 pieces 550 watt solar panel. So the banking of that is 7 times 4 equals 28 pieces. So total of 15.2 something kilowatt. So it has a current of estimated between 11 to 13 amperes. So here is our technical guy. Napod may plumbing team. Nagbangag dire, kompleto ni. So Puli Masantos me. And as our other technician doing wiring inside. So this is the 16 kilowatt inverter. So malaki siya, mabigat. And medyo mahal. Same price with the multi-cab. So if you want this system, that's very good for home use. So ito yung bahay, medyo hindi masyadong malaki. Konti lang, maliit lang. Medyo maliit lang ng konti sa amin. Kuya, gamay pa dyan pala isa to. So, okay. Sama yan ang aming piping for our service disconnect. Service entrance. Going to the service disconnect. So, yan. So, pili, we have another projects for like this, parang makabawi. So, this house is just a little bit smaller than ours. So, pero sa amin, pinapowered lang ng 1 kilowatt. Ito is 16. Joke only. So, okay na. Okay, we will update you because gabi na, gutom na mi. So, if we can finish this, hopefully we can make it before New Year. Thank you. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year 2022 and New Year 2023. Keep up updated to our vlogs. Please click the notification bell and follow us on Facebook and YouTube. Thank you. Until next video. Bejus.